Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana, and today I'm starting this series called Urban Garden DIY, cleaning and growing our own food so we could live a more sustainable and independent life. This will be the second year that I have my urban garden in the front of the house because I used to grow stuff in my backyard, but I decided to start growing vegetables and fruits in the front of the house with the intention of being able to share with my neighbors or anyone that visits our little free library or anyone that is passing by and needs some sort of food. Now, last year, Hurricane Ida destroyed my basement as well as it destroyed my garden. I had pots that were literally floating. Because of this reason, I decided that the first project I wanted to do is create a barricade with items that I already have in my garden. And the reason you're not going to see me using any sort of glue or concrete adhesive, it's because if I find or someone donates to me more stone, I may want to arrange my garden, and I'm always switching things around. So this is why I'm not permanently sealing the stones here. Also because I don't have enough stones for the other side of my lawn, and I want them eventually to match. Before I start playing some music for you, I want to encourage you to grow something. Either if you live in an apartment, I know people that grow in their balconies and windows, or wherever you are located, just know that you could grow something that you could eat. Whatever that is, leave me a comment below if you're gonna start or you're already growing something, and let me know what it is. I tell you some of the things that I'm growing in the front, which are raspberries, blueberries, tomatoes, peppers, collard greens, onions. I have some rosemary and thyme. Those are just a few that I mentioned, but let me know what kind of fruits and veggies are you growing and in what state or part of the world are you located. And before I go, I want to let you know that Matthew and I are very thankful that you decided to stop by and spend this time with us supporting our channel.